like where the tree is, and just do a 180 and face us.
Don't publish this. Don't publish the setup.
So what's going on, Aubrey? What you been up to?
Celebrity Apprentice.
Oh, okay, that's right. Yeah, that's right. You are on that show. How's it going on there? How's Donald?
He's amazing.
That's good.
Amazing.
Always good to have a billionaire on your side, you know.
Did you see the amazingness of my little girl?
Oh, what's your dog's name?
Ginger.
Ginger.
Okay, real close to Ginger. That's it. Cheek to cheek. How about a little bit of love for Ginger?
Are you doing any music anytime soon, Aubrey? Or
Always doing music.
are you doing music?
I live and breathe music. I can't not do it.
There you go.
I think we need to have a Melissa Molinaro and Aubrey O'Day track.
We need to do that. We need to do a dance track. Let's do that.
With a guest verse appearance from Prophecy.
There you go.
Bye, guys.
See you
Bye.
later. Thanks, Aubrey. Thanks, guys.
Hey, gang. Okay, thank you.